Hi.
Kindly tell me more about your shop.
Like we are in market like almost 20 years experience, and they are well trained for the German cars. Okay, and basically we are doing it for electrical, mechanical, painting, denting. I mean, A to Z job for related
I
cars.
can see that you have also vintage cars.
Yes, we are doing for vintage cars, maintenance and restoration work. Everything we are doing it for
Uh,
the old cars.
okay. What are the services that you are providing?
We provide basically oil services, okay, mechanical jobs and electrical jobs, computer repairing, programming, radar programming, all this stuff we are doing, and denting job. Basically, this is denting job. We have a bench and painting job. So we are
Fantastic.
very famous in painting job.
What are the products that you are using for the paint?
We are tied up with New Mix, and we are giving warranty for 3 years for the paints, all type of paints. So there is a warranty from company New Mix. We are giving 3 years warranty.
There is a special rates for the people watching this video.
Yes, yeah, sure. We can give, yeah, like 20% we can give discount for the franchise with Bosch. So we have spare parts from the Bosch. The important thing is the Bosch spare parts we are getting 1 year warranty. Anything, spark plug, wiper blade, all parts, dynamo, all this. If any damage is happening, we are replacing with warranty 1 year. So this is the benefit from the Bosch.
Where are you located?
We are located in Dubai, Ras Al Khour, industrial area 2.
Industrial area 2.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Dr. Car channel and mobile application are the best.